How's it going, future voters? Sean Gannon here, future president of the United States of America. And today's video is a little different. We all know about the coronavirus that's going out there, and there's different ways you can prepare for it. And so what I wanted to talk about here are 5 ways that you can prepare yourself for this coronavirus financially. Okay, I'm not going to go into the other ways of stocking up your house. It's too much. All right, but this is more a financial thing. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so please know that. I'm not trying to give advice as a financial advisor, but these are things that I am doing to help prepare myself for this future that could happen for us. Hopefully not. Number 1 here is spend less. Now, this may be simple, and this is something that we really should do in everyday lives here, but spend less, make a budget. There's a lot of things that we spend on that we do not need to spend money on, all right? So spend less, save some of your cash, okay? There's a lot of, don't buy things you don't need. You don't need food, toiletries, maybe some luxuries, but look at what gives you your best bang for your buck. Okay, depending on what you like. But in reality, as far as entertainment goes, you have Netflix probably or YouTube. There's plenty of entertainment things out there. There's a $5 board game you probably have in your basement. You can spend less. Don't be going out to dinner. Save that cash. Hold that cash in case you need it later. You never know. All right, so number 1, again, is spend less. Number 2, and this is kind of financially, but stock up, but do it financially smart, okay? Buy things that you normally would buy throughout the year that don't expire. So the common ones we see is toilet paper, paper towels, maybe, those are paper products, but canned. So if you have canned corn or frozen stuff, maybe frozen chicken, if you cook from home, learn how to cook. That's going to help you. Don't go out to dinner. But for example, you can buy a whole bunch of frozen chicken breasts, put it in your freezer. It's going to last you months, right? So there's no negative impact financially of stocking up on that. And if this thing turns out to not be that big of a deal, you're fine. You have extra food there and you're just going to use it anyway. And so for the next couple months, your grocery bill just goes down dramatically. You're fine, okay? But what I'm doing personally is I'm getting extra, things that I would get like pasta or other things that we cook that doesn't really go bad, okay, like salt, pepper, things like that, but doesn't go bad. But I just have a couple extras of those, maybe a couple months supply of that, and I just won't go shopping for those in the future. So that's something I think financially there. But don't overspend. No need to go crazy right now. There's nothing showing that you need to go buy all these meals ready to eat or MREs, right? That's the same thing, but you don't need to go hog wild with that, okay? The third thing I have here for you, like the Germans, the third, is learn an extra skill. So a lot of people are just stocking up right now, thinking they're going to hunker down into their basement and stuff. But in reality, the biggest impact of this is probably going to be the economy. And you need to market yourself. So find an extra skill, learn something online, take this time, take an online course. You don't have to go in anywhere, but learn an extra skill that can market yourself in case you lose your job, right? If the market goes down, you may lose your job or you may be less financially secure. So the best way to better secure yourself is to gain more skills. Don't stop learning, okay? So learn something online. It could be, Google Analytics or some coding thing or something online, some skill that can help you gain an edge on someone else. There's plenty of little courses online, certifications that you can get. Find something that you enjoy that can help you. Number 4, and this kind of goes with learning the extra skill, is start a little side job online, some contract work, okay? Find another means to make money online in case, again, the economy goes down, let's say you lose your job or something like that, that you have another stream of income coming in, preparing yourself. And if you are, okay with working a couple extra hours a week or, maybe more, save that money. So gain an extra skill, work something online that you actually enjoy doing, but a little contract work there, okay, that can give you some little extra cash that you can save in case there's some bad times in the future, okay? So that's how you compare yourself financially. And number 5, I hope this is common sense, and anyone who's read any investment book or saw any investment advice is, let's not be selling all of your stocks here, okay? The economy probably will have a downturn, and there's going to be a lot of people just dumping their stocks. If you read anything from history or anyone from all of our recessions that happen in the future, and this could be a recession that happens because of the coronavirus, is don't sell all of your stocks. Don't just liquidate your retirements. That's the stupidest thing. It's probably going to go down, that's fine, but don't sell it. Like, the last thing is to get all of, I've heard of stories of people who will start emptying their Roth IRA or their 401ks or stuff like that. Don't do that. You still have retirement, and you're playing the long run game here, okay? Not the short little quick couple month game, okay? So don't sell that. But keep in mind, I would keep some extra cash on hand, and that's where the extra jobs kind of come in. Keep some cash on hand at your house. It's always good to have $1,000 or so, depending on what you have financially, in your house, ready cash in case you need it. You never know when you need cash, okay? So buy it all. Those are my 5 tips. Again, spend less, stock up, learn an extra skill, contract work, find some job that works online, okay, so you don't have to go anywhere. That's kind of the contract work. And don't sell your stocks, your retirement. Keep those secure, okay? So those are my 5 tips here to help you during this coronavirus outbreak that's just kind of exploding everywhere. I hope it was informative. These are things that I'm doing myself, and I hope you are doing as well. And so I hope you all are staying safe. Wash your hands, and let's not get sick, folks. Okay, this is Sean Gannon, again, future president of the United States, signing off.